Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Radish, a superfood. If you are getting it with greens, you should surely buy them. Today's recipe, I am going to make radish greens as a side dish for your regular rice. Radish greens are very good for your skin. They remove all skin impurities. Also, they reduce cholesterol. They are very much rich in fiber and hence will take care of your bowel movement as well. So, let's get started and see how to make this radish greens.
From the clean radish greens, separate out leaf portion from the stem portion like this. You have to tear off the leaf portion and leave the thick stem portion like this. Do this for the entire bunch. Chop the stems into small pieces with the help of a knife. Discard the root after you chop off the stems completely. This has to be thrown away. Likewise, chop the leaves also into small pieces and keep it ready. Light the stove. Take a thick bottomed kadai on the stove and roast 100 grams of peanuts on it on medium flame. Towards the end of roasting, add about 6 to 7 red chillies as well and dry roast them. Once these are roasted well, transfer them to a mixer jar and keep them aside to cool off, after which these have to be ground. To the same kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and let it get hot. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of chana dal and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. 2 red chillies, split them into 2 and put it inside and roast till the chana dal and urad dal become golden brown in color. Then add 1 big chopped onion in and fry till onion becomes translucent, and then add 1 sprig of curry leaves and keep frying. The onions have become translucent. Now add the chopped stems and stir in well. Add in salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then stir it in well. Cook on low flame till the stems are almost cooked. Do not get tempted to cover this and cook, because if you do so, the color of greens will change from green to brown, which we do not want. Add in the green leaves as well after the stems are almost cooked, and then stir in and cook it on low flame. Ensure that you use a thick bottomed kadai so that the heat retains and you will be able to cook it in low flame. Here I am using a cast iron kadai from the brand Wonder Chef. The peanuts which we had kept aside in the mixer jar would have cooled off now. Add some 6 to 7 pods of garlic to it and powder them. Add this powder to the greens and switch off the stove and mix it in well so that all the greens get covered with the peanut powder. This dish tastes very good as an accompaniment for rice, sambar or rice and rasam, or you can also have it as a side for your chapati, roti, naan, etc. In addition to being fiber dense, since we have added peanuts, this satisfies the requirement for your regular intake of protein as well. Enjoy the yummy, delicious wholesomeness. Presenting to you the radish greens.
Please let me know in the comment section below how you would like to make your radish greens, and if you like this recipe, and if you have any specific recipes which you follow, I would be interested to know that as well. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching.